Hello, I am Ru. Have you encountered this situation before? You think someone is not an expert, but they pretend so well that you can't prove it. The idiom 滥竽充数 is used to describe this kind of person. It comes from 韩非子内除说上. 滥 has several meanings. Here it's more like substandard or not up to stand. 竽, a type of wind instrument similar to panpipers. 充数, to make up the number. 齐宣王 was a monarchy of one of the seven major states during the 战国时代. He enjoyed listening to music, particularly orchestral performers. One day, Qi Shen Wang's orchestra was recruiting new musicians. The salary was generous, so even though Mr. Nan Guo didn't know how to play any musical instruments, he pretended he could play the yu. He hid within the ensemble, and no one noticed that he wasn't playing at all. A few years later, Qi Shen Wang died. His successor did not enjoy ensemble performers. He preferred solo performers. Mr. Nan Guo knew he couldn't stay any longer, as everyone would discover the truth. He fled as quickly as he could. The idiom 滥竽充数 is used to refer to those who have no real skills, but try to pass themselves off among professionals just to fill a spot. It's also described using substandard things to make a show. Furthermore, it can be used as a self-emphasizing remark about one's own inadequacy. Similar idiom we have 鱼目混珠. 鱼目 fish eye, 混 max, 珠 pearl. 任竽 was a renowned scholar of his time. He wrote an essay to express his gratitude for everyone's appreciation. In this essay, 任竽 was extremely self-effacing, describing himself as someone as worthless as fish eyes, yet being regarded as beautiful jade. Later, scholar Li Shan, in interpreting this passage, commented, "White bones can look like ivory, and fish eyes at first glance closely resemble pearls." Subsequently, the idiom 鱼目混珠 come to be used to describe passing off the fake as the genuine. 这次参赛的作品只有几幅比较好，其他多是滥竽充数，不值一提。Only a few of the workers in this competition are good. The rest are mostly just 滥竽充数 and not worth mentioning. 这游戏就叫鱼目混珠，请大家从这盘白色的珠子里挑出真的珍珠来。This game is called 鱼目混珠. Please sell the real pearls from the white beads on this plate. This example is typically 鱼目混珠, since I'm not telling you how to use this idiom, but rather using it as a game title. Now let's see a real example. 那家店会在真品里面混杂赝品，企图鱼目混珠，欺骗上门的顾客。The store makes the counterfeit products with the genuine ones, attempting to 鱼目混珠 deceive customers who come to the store. Now let's have a quick review. 滥竽充数，鱼目混珠。Both are attempts to deceive someone. 滥竽充数 focus on using inferior items to full a quota. 鱼目混珠 focus on passing off the fake as a genuine. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.